Do not tell me how educated you are, tell me how much you have traveled. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And it is he who spread out the earth and placed therein firmly set mountains and rivers, and from all of the fruits he made therein two mates, he causes the night to cover the day. Indeed in that are signs for a people who give thought. Quran 13:3. And we have certainly created man and we know what his soul whispers to him, and we are closer to him than his jugular vein. Quran 50:16. And of his signs is the creation of the heavens and the earth and the diversity of your languages and your colors. Indeed in that are signs for those of knowledge. Quran 30:22. Allah is the protector of those who have faith, from the depths of darkness, he will lead them forth into light. Quran 2:257. And of his signs is that he created for you from yourselves mates that you may find tranquility in them, and he placed between you affection and mercy. Indeed in that are signs for a people who give thought. Quran 30:21. The best among you are those who have the best manners and character. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And the servants of the Most Merciful are those who walk upon the earth in humility, and when the ignorant address them, harshly, they say, words of peace. Quran 25:63. Indeed, the believers are brothers, so make settlement between your brothers. Quran 49:10. Love for your brother what you love for yourself. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And we have created you in pairs. Quran 78:8. Verily, Allah loves those who act justly. Quran 49:9. And marry those among you who are single and those who are fit among your male slaves and your female slaves. Quran 2432. They, your wives, are a garment for you and you too are a garment for them. Quran 2:187. The best of you are those who are best to their wives, and I am the best of you to my wives. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. And one of his signs is that he created mates for you from yourselves that you may find rest in them, and he put between you love and compassion. Most surely there are signs in this for a people who reflect. Quran 30:2. A believing man should not hate a believing woman. If he dislikes one of her characteristics, he will be pleased with another. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Women are the twin halves of men. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Live with them on a footing of kindness and equity. If you take a dislike to them, it may be that you dislike a thing, and Allah brings about through it a great deal of good. Quran 4:19. Indeed, the patient will be given their reward without account. Quran 39:10.